Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're making some French toast. So you'll need some bread. I bought this bread because I kind of like the texture of it and I think it was like really soft. So I wanted to try something new, so I got this bread. You need some eggs, you need some sausage if you eat sausage, if you eat bacon, cinnamon, allspice, heavy whipping cream, some milk, and that's pretty much it in a bowl and everything to mix. So basically, I don't have a serrated knife, which is what you would need to cut bread for real, but I have a chef's knife, which is pretty much gonna get the job done right now. So I'm gonna use that, and I'm just gonna cut some really thick slices. And I kind of want the middle slices towards the middle because those are bigger than the end pieces. But see, it's super thick because I wanted to absorb all of the mixture. And I'm gonna eat this piece. But yeah, and I'm just gonna keep cutting it up. I'm not gonna cut up all of it because I don't know, I don't want that much French toast because they're pretty thick, so I'll probably get full, but this was enough. And I'm gonna put these parts to the side for later on. Now I'm gonna take some eggs, and you only need about 1 or 2 eggs depending on if you want more milk or more egg texture. But I do about 2 eggs when I make French toast, especially since these are thicker pieces. So now we're gonna add some of our heavy whipping cream and just a little dash, not a lot. And we're gonna add our regular milk. Then we're gonna add a little bit of allspice, literally like a dash, like nothing. Mix it up. Then we're gonna take some vanilla, which I forgot to mention in the beginning, but add some vanilla, just a little dash. Everybody be asking why I use imitation. It's because it's cheap, okay? And now we're gonna take some cinnamon. And once again, y'all, all the measurements will be down below in the description box. And we're just gonna mix that up. I add the cinnamon last because it's so messy and hard to like really mix through, so I do it last. So now we're gonna take some butter and just butter up our griddle. So now we're just gonna mix up our mixture once again because it settled and all the cinnamon was at the top. And then you're just basically gonna start dunking your bread. Since this is a thicker slice of bread, you can soak it in there for a little bit, or you know, if you don't really like all of that texture or whatever, then you know you don't have to. But I made sure I soaked it super good because it was thicker bread and I wanted to get it all throughout the bread. So now we're gonna make some of our sausages, and then you know this is pretty simple. Just put some oil or whatever in your pan and put some sausages in, however many you choose to eat, and you know, let them cook. I keep going in and adding butter to the bread just to make sure, you know, all the edges and everything are crispy and they're getting nice and cooked underneath. So now we're gonna make some cinnamon sugar, and you just basically take some sugar and some cinnamon and just, you know, mix it up. And I'm basically just gonna place some of the sugar and cinnamon mixture on top of the bread and then flip it over just so it gets a little caramelized and more like a sweet cinnamon flavor on top. Now let's plate it up and, you know, just make it look pretty for the pictures or whatever. I don't really eat it like that, but I did it for purposes of presentation. So yeah, I'm gonna plate it up real cute, a little hefty plate, and put some powdered sugar on top and start taking some pictures. And there you guys have it, some nice and thick cinnamon French toast. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. Thanks for watching.